Team, we're gonna do some barbecue chicken breast today. I'm gonna show you how not to mess it up. Juicy as can be, baby. So listen, guys, chicken breast does not have to be hard. Now, it's not exactly exciting, but the way I'm gonna show you how to cook it, with a little help from my friends at ThermoPro, we're gonna make chicken like a pro. We're gonna do some smoked barbecue chicken breast today. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. First thing we gotta do is get that chicken breast seasoned up. Pretty simple, right? Front, back, side to side. I have a sweet heat kind of rub going on. Then I'm gonna throw my Twin TempSpikes in there. So I got two pretty big, good sized chicken breasts, and I got one kind of mid-sized one in there. So we're gonna put it in the thicker two breasts, and then let it set, let some of that seasoning absorb a little bit, right? We're gonna fire up our pellet smoker outside, 275. We're gonna throw those in there. We have our TempSpike app set up for 158 degrees for each of the chicken breasts. Now, I know you hear that you're supposed to take them to 165 internal, but I like to pull them about 158, 160 in that range and let that carry over temp take you to where you want to be. That way you know you're not overcooking those chicken breasts and they're still safe to eat. All right, so we're gonna give them plenty of smoke. And then once we get them to about 145, 150 in that range, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little barbecue sauce out there and sauce them up. That way you get them saucy, but you also have time for that sauce to set a little bit. So I flipped them over, got the bottom side, flipped them back, got the top side, and just let that sauce set a little bit. The middle one, the small one, was done already, and I was able to check that with my Lightning Instant Read. And I forgot to tell you guys that when you buy this Twin TempSpike that's on sale, ThermoPro is going to throw in the Lightning Instant Read for free, so make sure you hit that link down below. You know how to do it, right? And grab this deal today. So the smallest breast is up to temp. I want to pull that, let it chill for a little bit, and then just wait for the other ones to come up to temp. Once they do, we'll pull them off. They're looking beautiful. Get them in the house, let them rest for about 5-10 minutes. You don't want to go slicing into your proteins right away. You'll want to give them time to rest, let those molecules calm down a little bit, let all the juices reabsorb, and then we slice into them. All shiny and glistening, nice and moist and delicious. This is how chicken breast should be. And I know it's tough to get excited over chicken breast, but the way I'm doing things right now, I'm trying to get a lot of protein in, and chicken breasts are a great way to do it. And although they're not exciting to cook, they can be tasty if you do them the right way and follow my instructions here. But guys, pretty simple, right? We got them in here, slice it up. They're gonna go on salads, in tacos, on burritos, whatever, right? But I just know they're done perfectly, okay? Again, if y'all wanna get that Twin TempSpike and that free Lightning, links down below. It is an affiliate link, but it don't cost you more to use it, and it helps out your boy. And you get that great sale price and that free Lightning, can't beat it, right? But other than that, guys, I know this has been a real riveting, exciting video with chicken breasts, but I hope I showed you the right way to do it. Well, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Cheers.